There's right here a coin sorter pattern in 1909, the earliest pattern. So that's pretty crazy. Whoops, looks like we unscrew the screw over here. So not really sure which way we're supposed to spin it, this way or this way. Probably that way right here. Or this way probably. Yeah, there's a stopper over here. Also looks like you can hang the bag over here, but I'll just use glasses, like fine glasses to catch the coins. This thing is really heavy. Just gonna put the glass under each pipe over here that is gonna fall out from. This is extremely rare right here. We're gonna put some coins in, just a few for now. Look at that. Wow, that was fast. Are you kidding me? Okay, first test. We have the 25 cents in this glass, 5 cents in this glass, no pennies, and 10 cents in this glass. That actually works really good. You know, if you ever pay tolls, these machines look like that. Let's put more coins in here. Looks like there used to be some kind of coin holder extender, maybe. But look, there's the coins. And look at that. It goes where it's supposed to go. Is it getting stuck over here? Oops. Overspill, overspill. Don't stick your fingers in there, but for some reason it's getting stuck over here. It's not super level right now. Maybe I should level up the table a little bit better. But let's keep on going. Can put a few coins over here, no problem. And let's keep spinning. Wow, that's so smooth. Maybe show you a different view. Couple of different views actually. Look at that. The coins going in so well. Look at the quarters going in where they're supposed to. Okay, another view right here. Look how fast that is. Obviously I don't have a bag. It's not perfectly standing right here. So that's why I missed a couple. Usually you would put couple bags in here. Look how nice that is. Going through. And it doesn't get stuck or anything. 100-plus-year-old coin sorter. It's amazing. And another view, and I'm gonna pack it away. Look at that. I'm gonna put them all in there. And as you can see, this is a stopper right here. So that way the coins don't overspill. And even if they go through over here, they'll get stopped over here. You see a couple of them got stuck? No problem, look at that. We're gonna go much faster. The 5 cents sliding off a little bit. We fixed it. The whole jar, no problem. Look at that. That's so epic. And we're done. I gotta get out of the rain, but as you can see, you just put the bags over here instead of the glasses. Glasses was moving a little bit from all that shakiness. But this thing is solid and works really good. I can't believe it. I paid $400. It was for sale for $600. Offered $400 and got plus $80 shipping because it's extremely heavy. That thing is awesome. Gotta oil it up and take it off from the rain.